Well, hello, we are Diana and Roberto, and we're going to talk about the gay liberation movement. So I want to put this picture about the flag. Oh, this is the gay flag. So when you see it in the top of the hotel or construction, it means it's a gay zone or like a gay hotel. And well, the gay rights movements began in 1969 with the Stonewall Riot movement, and this movement was about the equality and gay liberation. And then the Supreme Court invalidated the Texas law making sodomy a crime and also the same-sex marriage. But then in 2004, the state of Massachusetts was the first one to allow the same-sex marriage. And then, next point, Barack Obama had some rights against homosexual, bisexual, transgender violence. And well, the Defense of Marriage Act do not recognize the gay marriage under the federal level. So as you can see in the picture, if two women or two guys want to get married, the federal level do not recognize them. And next point, in the legal landscape has been evolving in a more tolerant way. Well, and the process of the gay liberation, I found out a very good phrase from the United States President. I want to read. I have friends, I have people who work for me, who are in powerful, strong, long-lasting gay or lesbian unions, and they are extraordinary people, and this is something that means a lot to them, and they care deeply about. So this phrase means that doesn't matter if the person is gay or lesbian, they could be more intelligent than us, they could be kinder, more kind, and very lovely, fair people. Next point, the primary human right is to be happy, and well, if the person feels that he's happy the way he lives by being gay or something like that, that's okay. We should let him go ahead. And then gay couples are permitted to adopt as long as they provide a kid a loving home and well balanced.
Well, I am against gay liberation because their lifestyle undermines the traditional values, and the homosexual acts may be a risk to the standard of the moral, of the order, of the discipline. And also gay liberation is considered as for the people that are against, as a right of a sexual probation, because the law that protects gay rights has induced a sexual chaos in our culture. Gay liberation also includes other consequences, for example, same-sex marriage. The people and the religion say that the man was made for a woman, not the man for a man, or the woman for a woman, and is not well seen in our society. The same-sex marriage causes gay adoption, and I think that the child has the right to have a father and a mother for its overall development as a person, and a gay adoption would be prejudicial for a child. Finally, as with our conclusion, we think that the gay liberation is right, because all people must have the same rights, and is independent of the sexual orientation. The same rights will be for the two parts. We think that it's the decision of the people to be homosexual, and we have to respect their thoughts, their feelings, despite of the moral, the ethical, the authoritarian implications. Currently exist a lot of problems about the acceptance of the gays. The homosexuals look for the rights of freedom of expression, the equality under the law and under the society, freedom and security, and protection against discrimination, because the homosexuals are excluded in military service, are denied in some place, denied the employment, and some of them are forced to hide their lives or deny their family for the acceptance. And we have to control these problems and eliminate all kind of discrimination and create a culture for respect and tolerate the homosexuals, and create a culture and education for respect all people.